Hello. Usually in the morning you come out, you clean out the pens, you put the water, give them fresh water and fresh food, and collect the eggs from the day before. And I normally let them out so that they can free range and eat the bugs and eat grass and stuff they like to do. So at this point we'll let them out. And once they're all out, I'll go ahead and put new food in. Clean the water and make sure the water's fresh. There's 10 hens and the one big rooster. Once that's done, I usually collect the eggs. As a rule of thumb, you normally get 1 egg per chicken every day. So, not always, but most days. See, 3, 6, 7, 8. So 2 haven't laid today, and sometimes they'll lay later in the day. So far so good. It's a good thing. They do eat a lot of bugs. They're able to get a lot of protein and exercise, and I think they're healthier, and they say the eggs are much better for you. So that's why a lot of people, I think you see now, are raising chickens. Even in the residential areas, you're allowed to have so many hens. You can't have roosters because of the noise, but you're allowed to have so many hens, which is a good thing. They do eat a lot of bugs.